Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com, and this is Ask Matt, Season 2, Episode 277. So I'm here at the warehouse, and we had a question that came in today, and I'm sorry, I'm apologizing already, because every time we get this in, the material's in for literally an hour, and then it's sold out. So we are waiting for some more. We will hopefully get it back in soon, and we will let you know. We do have a little bit of gold left, but it's almost gone as well. But the question I got today was, Matt, I've seen the lives, I've seen you use the Twinkle glitter heat transfer vinyl, and it's got that glitter look to it, but how reflective is it really? Like, does it really pop? Does it really stand out, the reflectiveness? Is it anywhere close to the reflective, like the TRW Berry Blast and the Gold Blast or the Easy Reflect? And I thought it would be fun here at the warehouse. Everybody's gone already, and I thought it would be fun to play a little game of Where's Twinkle, right? So we're going to play a little game of Where's Twinkle, and I want to see if you guys can find the Twinkle glitter heat transfer vinyl when I turn off the lights in the warehouse here, and just maybe we see if it really does stand out or not. But before I do that, I do got to show you something. So look at what just came in for our TRW Diamond Cut Bling Anything sheets. Yep. Very limited supply right now. I literally just put them on the website. Again, these will probably be sold out pretty quick. We do have some more coming, but check out these amazing sheets right here. What? All right, you guys ready to play Where's Twinkle? So I'm going to turn off the lights here, and I want you to tell me how many rolls or how many of the Twinkle glitters that you see as I walk around. And comment below and let me know if you think that they stand out at all, because I'm not moving anything, okay? Everything's staying where it is. You can see there's nothing really that stands out a lot in the warehouse here. Wait until I turn off these lights. Let's go. All right, you guys ready? Check out those sheets. Here we go. Tell me when you can see the first one. Those of you who are wondering if it stands out at all, any of those stand out? Check that out. It's crazy. Let's look down the aisle here. What? Looks like there might be a pink roll over there. What is that? What is that? What is that? It's crazy, isn't it? How about over here? Anything down in this area? No, no, no. Boom. Other side of the warehouse. Imagine you walking with your logo on a shirt and any type of lights hitting you, right? That's the entire other side of the warehouse right there. Come back this way, boom, boom, boom. Come up close and show you the actual glitter. Give me a second here. Now, because it does have the film on it right now, I'm gonna darken this up a little bit. There you go. Pretty sweet, right? So those of you who are wondering, does the reflective really stand out? I think this might be your answer right here. Hopefully this will help you guys. So hopefully that answers your question. Anybody that had any questions of does the Twinkle really twinkle? And is it reflective as well as the glitter, especially at night when lights shine on it or anything? That answers your question right there, right? So appreciate all of you guys. Thank you for the questions. Always love answering these questions and showing these awesome products. You guys get a little quick tour of the warehouse and where your materials come from. But comment below. Let me know some more questions that you guys have. Make sure to click that like button if you like this video. Make sure to click that subscribe button so you can get videos every time we create one of these awesome videos for you, and the little bell right next to it so you get a notification. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, crew. Later.